Exercise 8.4, problem 1 to 5, solution. The curved surface area of a right circular cylinder of radius 1 cm and height 1 cm is equal to. They have given us few options. So what's the curved surface area formula? It's 2 pi r h, and they have given us the radius and they have given us the height. So basically you need to substitute these values in that formula and simplify. So 2 pi r h, and r is 1 centimeter and h is 1 centimeter. So it's 2 pi into 1 into 1. So that is equal to 2 pi centimeter square. So if you look at it, it is option B. Okay, it's very simple, right? So let's go to problem 2. The total surface area of a solid right circular cylinder whose radius is half of its height, h is equal to, so we have to be very clear on this, half, the radius is half of the height h. So if your height is h, the radius is h by 2. Okay, and what's the formula for total surface area? The total surface area is 2 pi r into h plus r. Am I right? So this is what I said. Radius is half of the height. So we are taking height as h. So the radius is h by 2. And the formula is 2 pi r into h plus r. So substitute the value of r and h here. So this will become 2 pi into h by 2 into h plus r, right? H plus r is h by 2 again. So this is 2 pi into h by 2. This is h plus h by 2, that is 3 by 2 h, right? 1 plus half, 1 and a half, right? So that's what is 3 by 2. So if you look at it, so what will happen? So this 2 and 2 will cancel off. So you will get 3 pi h square by 2. 3 pi h square by 2 square units. So if you look at it, so here you have 3 pi, 3 by 2 pi h square units. So it's option C. Got it? So basically the trick here is that the radius is h by 2. Now coming to the next problem, base area of the right circular cylinder is 80 centimeter square. If the height is 5 centimeter, then the volume is. So for anything, you have a formula for right circular cylinder. For the volume is pi r squared h, right? But the base formula is, for all these things, is base area into height is a volume. So base area is given as 80 and height is given as 5. So the volume of the cylinder is 80 into 5, that is 400 centimeter cube. Here we have 400 centimeter cube. Anyway, let's see the working. Volume is base area into height. So in this case, volume is, base area is given as 80 and the height is given as 5. So 85 is a 400 centimeter cube. So it is option A. So but please remember this formula, base area into height. So next problem, problem 4. So here we have, if the total surface area of the solid circular cylinder is 200 pi centimeter square and its radius is 5 centimeter, the sum of its radius, height and radius is, the total surface area is given. Okay, and what is the total surface area? It is 2 pi r into h plus r, am I right? Is given, and the radius is given, and they are asking us to find the height and the radius. It's an interesting problem, but you will get it cleared when you see the formula. Let's write the formula. So 2 pi r into h plus r equal to 200, right? So if you substitute 200 pi, I mean to say, so substitute all the values. So TSA is 200 pi equal to 2 pi into r. Radius is given as 5 centimeter. So 200 pi equal to 2 pi into 5 into h plus r. And if you look at it, this is what they are asking us to find. So height plus rate, the sum of height plus h plus r. So you keep this here and transfer everything to the other side, you'll get the value of it. So pi and pi will cancel. So 5 2s are 10. So you'll be getting 200 divided by 10. Okay, anyway, I've done it here this way. So pi and pi will cancel here, and 5 2s are 10. So 10 will go here 20 times. So h plus r is 20 centimeter. So if you look at it in the problem, it will look very confusing. But basically, if you substitute it, then all they're saying is that keep this as one variable and calculate it. Okay, right. The next problem. Problem 5. The curved surface area of a right circular cylinder whose radius is a unit and height is A units. So it's an A is A units and the height is B units is equal to the radius is given, the height is given. So it's basically substitution of these values in the formula. So curved surface area is 2 pi RH. R is given as A unit and H is given as B unit. So it's 2 pi AB, right? The curved surface area is 2 pi AB. So it's basically option B. Okay, it's pretty simple here. So I hope it's clear. If not, please go through this one more time. It will become clear. Thanks for watching this video.